Up for sale, a 1967 Chevy Caprice. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 67 Chevy Caprice, number matching 396, 325 horsepower, turbo 400, power steering, power brakes, factory AC. Walk around it, point out a couple flaws, and tell you about it. Fire it up, and then drive it. So again, we're gonna get started. It's 55,000 original miles, all original body panels, which are extremely straight. I mean, when I was driving behind my dad on the way home with it, the quarters are so straight on the car. No Bondo. The floors are unpatched and zero rust. Same goes for the frame and basically the entire underneath of the car. This front section here is super nice. I mean, if you get close up on it, you see a little bit of, well, that's a little dust, but a little bit of like fogginess in there, but still shows super, super nice. Hood fitment fits nicely. It actually opens and closes super easy. Let me see here. I know the only couple little things, there's just one little bubble and one little bubble on the paint, and the fitment for the hood even continues there. How nice it is. It is finished in factory colors, which is this beautiful silver blue with blue interior and the black vinyl top. And here you go, this is the 396, 325 horsepower, the number matching motor, AC, power brakes. Which is something cool. It's got a little tag on there that it was remanufactured by Bendix. I've never seen that on one. And then the power steering pump is down there. Very smooth running, very nicely dialed in. Nice factory windshield glass bottle. So a very original car in the engine compartment section too. And you got the hood insulation on it. Another thing, I just want to show you how easy effortlessly this opens and closes. Anyway, so it's got 67 rallies on there with the white walls. I think that's a great look for the car. I've only had one other 67 Caprice, and those that we put 67 rallies on there with a red line. There's a little mark down there, a little chip. The fitment here is super nice. Again, being all original body panels, not really taken apart, it all lines up very nicely. I know there's a couple little marks from some stone chips down there, and I see a couple more stone chips there. Another little chip there. But the paint quality is beautiful, as you can see. You see a little tiny chip there. It's got the covers in the back, which look pretty good on there. And here's these quarters. Like I told you, they're super straight. Again, even with this little dip in here, that contour of the body. All the glass is in excellent condition. The vinyl top is in excellent condition. The fitment of the trim to the vinyl top all the way around is awesome. And the back deck hasn't been cut up. Now, cool enough in this car is the interior is mint. And the one I had before that I mentioned, all the interior was original. It had double the miles. It had its good credentials, but it's nice seeing this style of interior in excellent condition. It's very beautiful, super comfortable. And the same thing goes for the back as well. Let me show you that real quick. I mean, even you can see here how clean and in excellent condition this car is, including the headliner with both working dome lights. VIN, and again you see the nice paint in there. The wood grain on the dash is excellent. The gauges are excellent. It's got the optioned handkerchief box down below. My Delray has that. Nice steering wheel here. It does have the Turbo 400 automatic trans. And yeah. And the horn works. Let's keep going. Is the key in the trunk? No. I'll be right back. Got the keys for the trunk, but before I show you, there's just two little minor marks right there and another little chip right there. Trunk fitment all the way around is excellent. The back section is really nice too. Again, same thing with the chrome, just a little bit of smokiness in there, being original to the car, of course. So let me open this up. If I know which key it is. Nice under trunk here. This is definitely all original paint. You see what would have been the jack instructions and maybe something else. It's got nice weather stripping on there. It's got the black that's on Caprices in this bottom section there. What you see is the lip of the trunk jam. It is nice, and you see the wire for the working trunk light. And it's got the spare in there with the white wall, Firestone tire. And if you just make that out, the jack is there. It's got the trunk mat. Original quarters, of course. You see that, how nice that is there. And then I'll lift this guy up here and show you. Super nice. Look at this. This is rock solid. Again, like I said, the underneath of the car has zero rust. It has its original 12-bolt rear in it as well. And the wood grain on both door panels are excellent. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Carpet looks like new as well. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. Owner's manual. Anything in here that I should know about? No. Will be in the glove box for you. 55,100 original miles. Number matching 396, 325 horsepower. Turbo 400 automatic. Power steering, power brake, factory AC. Finished in gorgeous silver blue with blue interior and the black vinyl top. So we're getting to that point now where we're just about to fire it up and then drive her around the block. You see a little scuff on this body line right there and a little more right there. And there's a little chip there. And this looks like it could be buffed off. So we're gonna fire right up now. I just want to show you how nice that is. Here we go. All right, here we go. We're gonna fire it up.